set. Madam Hulda, thank you for being courageous. As you heard the pastor saying, you have opened the door. Not your door, our door. So that our young men and girls can also emulate what you've done and just for copy and paste. It needs a lot of sacrifice. That's why we thank you for the sacrifice. Your family, your entire family also, for the support they give you and the friends. We had time in the morning. We much go home when you matter. Tuatwara chinsa, tuagaba naurika, tuaseti agenda. Unaweka Mungu wako sworn in, we are going to engage in several areas. Health sector, education sector, and others like ICT. Kwa hivyo vile amekuja hapa yengani sasa yatomorekera. Utwari ngomo sunteme abasaye baswati nabamura watagarara nani na. The sky is not a limit. There is no limit. You can do anything anytime. Ingasereno omogeni karibu sana naende tongeji further. I'll be sending a delegation for your inauguration so that you know the county is in your interest. Amaganane Nadia Unatwa Gambile Nano Tujuko Gamba Kamoranje Motulie Amagani Tachega Akwane Asobor Muaboria Wanyambaria High School. I'm going to allocate them 10 extra acres near the primary, so that the school can expand hata ikuwe na field mingi ya kucheza. Namba 2, county tumenunua matrakta, tunangoja ingine ikuje before Christmas. Barabara ya Nyamira haitakuwa na shida tena. Umesikia? So tuko kazini na mwewe pia mtatusaidia kutupea roho mzuri. Asaya make yonka tebana ki mwaka chinkobi tatumo mwaka chinkobi chingao chigo koruga nataraji kokwana ni mwaka ewa chigo kende galioka for 30 seconds hapa chinkobi mechi otoigore ilo mlango 30 seconds continuous. Asante, Madam Hulda.
Hi, DJ.